Okay, today we're actually going to change my air filter as well, and I'm going to show you how I do it. First thing I do is I do loosen up this clamp right here. You could probably do it without doing this, but I like to have it just a little loose so I can twist it the little bit. And I take it right to the end of the, I don't want it to fall off, but I take it like so. I'm not going to disconnect the map sensor. I think that's map sensor, but I do need to loosen up. There's 3 fasteners, one here, and there's one down here, one there, and then there's one right there. So that makes 3. Then there's this other fastener right there that you do not need to take off. So let's go ahead and get this done. I do not take the fasteners all the way out. I keep them in the plastic so they're still there, still connected. We'll do the same with this one here. It feels good, it's loose. And then this one back here, okay, like so. All right, so I have this loose, 3 fasteners loose, and then down in here, there's 1, 2, 3 tabs. You'll see that when I push this. So what I like to do is I pick this up like so and scoot it forward until, see those tabs come out of their slots? Now I'm able to push this like so. And the reason why I did that clamp right there is because now I can kind of twist this a little bit as needed. And there's my filter, and it looks pretty good, actually. This is the new one. I put it in just a little while ago, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty clean, not too bad. So I haven't changed this out. I'll show you what the old filter actually looked like. Here's the old filter. It's okay. It's September 22, so I decided to go ahead and replace it. It's just a little dirty, not that bad. But I could have probably blown this out with air, but I have a brand new one, so let's put the new one in. So let's finish this up. Okay. So I got this out of the way. Sits in there. I like to write the date on there when I did this. Okay, feels pretty good. I always buy high quality air filters. Okay, and then we're gonna put this box back on here and match these tabs. Push down on the box and lift up the front just a little bit here, and then push it, and it goes right in place. When you get it in place like that, you are ready to tighten up the fasteners. One. That's my wife. She thinks she's funny. There we go. Now it's lined up. We'll get this one lined up. It's good. And now we tighten up the clamp here. Excellent. So good. So now we've just changed the air filter in my 2019 Silverado Trail Boss 5.3 engine.